Hello everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our latest Android entertainment system for a 2019 Dodge Ram 2500. And as you can see, that's a pair. They come in a pair. They designed for luxury vehicles and they come with the universal mountings. You can change the logo to any car logos, and also some of the cars they come with a special theme as well. This is just a general theme for Dodge, and they're fully touch. You can use the touch screen, or you can play music or videos through HDMI and USB, which is located on the side of the unit. And again, this is the latest unit. It comes with Android 9, and they're really slick design. They're amazing units. You can install them in any vehicle as long as the headrest is like standard headrest, not like sport or like in BMW M type of headrest for some special M series. But as long as you have normal headrest, you can install them easily in the car with our brackets, and they're all universal brackets. And also you can order our Bluetooth headphones, or you can pair any Bluetooth headphones to these units. These are the headphones that they designed for inside the vehicle, so they're easy foldable to the sideways, so you can fold them this way and you can easily put them at the back of the pocket inside the car. And these are Bluetooth headphones with really high quality. You can add them to your favorite screens. If you're interested to get this type of Android headrest, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.